bit of an advice from one business owner to other business owners. I see this a lot on social media, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, whatever. Somebody will praise a small business like, oh, so-and-so's cupcakes were so delicious. They're amazing. They'll give them a shout out. They'll post about it. And you'll see people say, yay, thank you. I'm going to check them out. Oh, they're great. I've had theirs. Oh, I didn't like it. Whatever. People will put in their opinions. Then sometimes you'll always have another person go, I make cupcakes too. Check out my business. Blah, 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 blah. Don't do that. Don't piss on someone else's parade. Nobody likes that. It smells of desperation. And it's not cool. There is, for house cleaning, for residential and commercial cleaning businesses, there are over 128 million homes in the United States, last counted in 2020. I didn't count. I took it from Google. That's a lot of homes. So if you can't find a home to clean, you're either A, not good, B, you don't do really good advertising. You got to get your word out. We could talk more about, advertising and how to do that. Not everybody's just born a great cleaner, so you learn. My point is, with all those amount of homes, there is more than enough work for cleaning businesses to go around. And then some. Too much work. It's a blessing and a curse. There is more than enough work for cleaning businesses, whether it's residential, commercial, you want to clean schools, hospitals, whatever. Go find your own work. Don't hop on someone else's post and say, oh, I do that too. I'm going to do it cheaper and I could do it faster and I could do it better and blah, 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 blah. Don't do that. Get your own Facebook page, get your own Facebook post, get your own reviews. Do your own thing. Focus on you as a person. Focus on your own business. Focus on building up your brand. Don't focus on shitting on someone else's post because that's not cool. Nobody likes a Debbie Downer. Nobody wants that. And you don't want to look desperate. So keep in mind, dimming someone else's light will not make yours shine brighter. So that's what I wanted to say, especially as one cleaning business owner to another. And me personally, if I was a person looking for a cleaning business and I see somebody hop on somebody's post and try to outshine them, I would not want them. I'd be like, ew, you're tacky. So if you have any questions and you want to learn about how to grow your business, let me know. I love to help. I have a green certified award-winning cleaning business in the Poconos, Pennsylvania. But you know what? Put everybody's crown on. Fix your crown. Everybody help each other's crown out. You know what I mean? Do good. Do good. Spread love. Peace.